Have you ever had this happen? You're in for routine maintenance and your service advisor comes up to you and says,
"So the technician has recommended that you
change your cabin air filter."
It's not something to be alarmed about, but it is something to consider. A dirty cabin air filter can create a variety of problems. Things like unpleasant odors, reduced airflow, and unnecessary stress on your vehicle. Luckily, there are a few telltale signs that it's time to replace your cabin air filter. The easiest way to tell your cabin air filter is dirty is to remove it and look at it. If it's visibly dirty, it should be replaced. Another obvious way to tell your cabin air filter is dirty is the odor test. Have you ever gotten into your vehicle on a hot summer day, cranked up the AC, and gotten blasted by the smell of a dirty gym bag? That smell is from excessive pollutants trapped deep within the filter. The most common symptom associated with a bad cabin air filter is poor airflow through your vehicle's interior vents. Excessive contamination will cause restricted airflow for the AC system. This will cause the vents to blow noticeably less force, reducing the overall cooling capacity of the AC system. It will also place an additional strain on the AC blower motor, which could lead to even bigger problems. So let's not get to that point. If you suspect that your cabin air filter may be dirty and you really don't want to do it yourself, Ryan Honda of Minot would be happy to help. That reminds me of a fun fact. Did you know that certified service technicians at Ryan Honda of Minot replace over 30 cabin air filters every week? We really are your cabin air filter experts at Ryan Honda of Minot, and we always do our best to keep your vehicle running its best.